Alright, good morning and welcome to another video, Darren. How's it going? Hello, sir. How's it going, sir? What's been going on today then? Today has been a very interesting day, it has. And by interesting, I mean kind of not all that interesting at all, really, to be honest with you. But I got up when I was normally supposed to get up, but I'm finding it harder and harder to get up, which means I'm burning out on my 4-hour long sleeps, which is what I'm getting. I'm going to bed about 2:30 to 3-ish. Which means I'm only sleeping for about 4 hours. I've been doing it for a lot of weeks consecutively now. So starting to need a lie-in. So I'm working on improving efficiency to no freaking end at this precise moment in time, I'm not going to lie to you. Which means, well, essentially, so far I need to reduce the amount of time I'm spending on cooking. I need to reduce the amount of time I'm only doing one task. I need to start multitasking, like eating and cooking. That needs to be. I need to be doing things as well as that at the same time because I haven't got enough hours in it there. So I got up and I sorted out the main channel, the video while I was eating breakfast. Well, I didn't even have breakfast this morning. Sorted out the video and stuff before going to lecture. Went to lecture. Lecture was alright. Came back here, wrote up my notes, had some din-dins, and then we went out to a placement fair thing where you can get placement over summer. You can get like a summer internship placement thingamajig in industry and things, and I don't know whether to do it because I've got a job and I can't just quit my job for a 6-week-long internship. I don't have enough holiday to cover it, so I'm kind of screwed because I won't be able to get the job back again. It will be really good for like experience and shizwas, but beyond that it ain't good, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, mate? But yeah, after that we played a little bit of cheeky cards with Andy and Gilbert and Peter before having to go to a programming lecture. I'm really falling out with programming lectures. I don't see the point in them at all now. It's just, freaking. I did the same last semester as well. They really ragged me up. It's not funny. Oh man. As soon as we get to like networking and stuff, that won't be as bad. But Jesus Christ. So I'm now back here, and I've written up all my lecture notes because I'm a freaking boss, and I'm now programming my coursework is what I'm doing, and I know what I need to do. I'm set up. I'm on the right path now. So we're gonna be there, man. We're gonna sort this out, homie. So yeah, basically what I need to do is I'm going to, by the end of today, and I'm going to go to bed early because I need sleep. I'm thinking like an 11 o'clock bedtime, which is holy shiz was, you know what I mean? So that would equate 8 hours in sleep. 8 hours sleep. Or I might have my long lie-in tomorrow. Is that more logical, Jamie? No, because it's Monopoly night tomorrow, so we don't get an early night. I don't know. But basically one of the 2 nights I've got to be having a lie-in. I need a lie-in, so I can have it now. I'm thinking, I could have it tomorrow. I might bail on Monopoly night. On the basis I need to do programming, because I do need to do programming. We also got our group coursework set this today as well, and it looks interesting. It looks like a lot of work, but we're kind of postponing it a little bit. We're just got to find out like requirements and things we need to do, which is a little bit of research in earplugs. Go and research and ask people what they want from their system if they had the system like the one we're going to make. Which essentially means we're going to make it up. And them's be the games, really. That's the rules. That's what we're going to do. We're going to concentrate on getting requirements. Then we're going to nail the requirements next weekend. It's going to be next week in the lesson itself. We're just going to beast it, and then we're going to move on to the next stuff. It's going to be insane, man. We're going to be flying. We're going to be on fire. So yeah, I'm going to get back to this programming, multitasking and that lol. All right. So what's the hell has been going on? I have been programming my proverbial face off. Basically what's been going on is I've been sat here programming, listening to some tunes on radio and on Spotify, and then I had some din-dins, I had some pork steaks and the job and stuff, and it was really nice and things. And now I am just closing up programming. It's 10:30 and I'm going to go to bed. I kind of feel tired as well, to be honest with you. I am getting an error, so I can't show you I can show you. It's whenever I have this thing in errors, and to be fair, I don't need this thing, so I don't know why I'm there. That's there in an attempt to try and like figure out what the hell's going on. But if we just look here, let me just cheat a second. What I've done is I've done the first step, and I think this is semi-impressed with myself because there is some clever coding in there. What I've basically done is I've gone into a text file and I've brought out this grid here, which is in the text file, and there's also some other information above it which I've left out. But this grid here is then saved into an array of all of the different squares. So there's a square with a hash in it. It'll go hash, 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 next line, hash, dot, 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 etc. And the basic idea is now that that's saved in the computer, I can now manipulate it as a device, as an object. I can now forget that there's even a text file involved at all. The only issue being that I'm struggling to print out it once it's in the text file, which is a small issue, only a small one, which basically just means that I can't get it into the right format that I know I want. Well, there's an issue, isn't it? Because it's only done, if we look here, the only things going into it are hashes. So there's an error after it that's not letting me do that. So why is that, eh? But yeah, I'm just doing some cash bloody editing now to try and figure out what the hell's going on here. Y isn't being incremented, that's what's going on. No, Y is being incremented. Huh? X isn't being... X is... What the f... There we go, we nailed it, figured it out. I'm just an idiot and didn't actually tell it to read the next line. But what I've done is, all of this here, right here, is being inputted into this system. It's all blurry, I know, deal with it. Because that's all the information that the computer's going to deal with to try and figure out what the hell's going on with the map. So now I know that that works, I can stop panicking and I can go to bed. I've basically finished being able to fully render it into the game, and that's brilliant. Everyone's gone out. Lol. I'm gonna go to bed. Literally everyone in the flat's gone out. It's Valentine's Day, and oh, happy Valentine's Day. Lovely. My letter got there today. I'm glad my letter managed to get here today. Because I only sent it yesterday. It's a first class post, baby. It's freaking amazing. Oh, got a comment. But that's the way yeah. So I was in here programming because I want an early night and I want to go to bed for 11. And I'm going to be able to manage that. So I'm happy with this. It's done a good job. Well done. Bam! Okay. So that's jolly good, damn well good programming. What I need to do is... Let's have a look at my to-do list for the rest of this program, shall we? The next thing on the list is to randomly place a player in the map. I'm not sure how we're supposed to place players in the map. I'm going to just randomly put me somewhere, anywhere, just bang, that'll do. And hopefully that's the kind of thing they were expecting when they gave it to us. But either way I can ask later. See that, let's close it now. Yeah, what I've got to do is I put a player in a map, and then I've got to be able to display it on the screen in such a way that it's fixed, that it's kind of like locked on the screen, and then it can't move up and down, because that will just scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and just keep printing up. I need to figure out how to keep it still so that you can actually play the game without regenerating it each time, because that's stupid. And then I need to do moving around, will be next on the list after that, I think. And then after moving around, there's AI and oh no, there's collecting all the gold. Well, no, I need to do that as well. How much? I need to initialize how much gold and stuff each is locked in each level and things. So there's still quite a lot to do. But I do need a lion because I need to catch up on my sleep, and I'm not going to get up till 9, so I'm going to have a freaking good, nice long sleep, and it's going to be delicious. So yeah, stop wasting it. I'm going to go to bed. Tomorrow is going to be more of a worky day, and once I've caught up on sleep, I'll be able to go back to ridiculous late nights again. Yes. Catch you later.